Hello, family. Today, I'm going to make a recipe that my coworker gave me. She gave me some zucchini, so I'm going to make air fryer zucchini slices. Let's do this. Okay, what I did was I sliced it up. The yellow zucchini's got thinner skin, so you don't have to peel it. I just sliced it up. I'm going to add just a little bit of olive oil. Two or three tablespoons, I guess. I'm going to add some Italian seasoning. I got a little bit of grated Parmesan left. I'm going to put that in there. I'm just going to stir this up here. See if I can get that well coated. Okay, now I'm going to put the air fryer on. I'm going to put the air fryer on 400 degrees, preheat it for 5 minutes, and then put these in there. I'll probably air fry them for about 6 minutes, flip them, and then maybe do another 6 minutes. See her over there? She had her vaccinations yesterday and blood drawn. She's a little sore. She's limping. Poor baby. But all went well at the vet. She's in great condition. She'll be 11 years old on Friday. Just have to get over this soreness. Yeah. He didn't need to clean her teeth because Mama does a good job at brushing her teeth every night. So that saved us about $500. Poor baby. Keep telling her to lay down. She doesn't need to follow us and protect us. We're okay. I know. You're okay. You're okay. Why don't you lay down? Yeah, lay down. Yeah, you poor baby. Okay, this is preheated, so I'm going to set these in there. Probably going to have to do 2 batches, but that's okay. We can handle that. And you lay down, pretty. Yeah, baby girl, lay down. Just rest. I got some of this little bit of shredded Parmesan that I'm going to put up here. Just a little bit on top. Want your fan on, baby girl? Let me put the fan on for you. I'll put the fan back on for you. There. Now you have the fan on. Have the fan blowing on you. It's not hot today, but you are running. She's running a little mild fever, so. Okay, I'm going to put these in for 6 minutes and then we're going to flip them. Okay, I'm going to flip them. Oh, you gotta be careful here, I guess. Maybe it'd be easier just to do it this way. Yeah, it's just easier to do it with the fingers. Okay, now I'm gonna put a little bit more cheese on these. And I'm gonna only do this, I'm gonna only give it like 3 minutes now. Okay, we're gonna give it like 3 minutes. Okay, these look good. I'm just gonna set them on this plate for now and start the second batch. Okay, we'll be back when the second batch is done. Okay, the second batch I left in when I turned it over. I did was 6 minutes on the first side, and then I did 4 minutes on the other side, and they came out crispier. But boy, I tasted one. Those are so good. You don't need salt because there's salt in the cheese, and it just gives it that wonderful flavor. But we're gonna have another one here. Here you go. They're very good. Very good and healthy. You have to give it a try. 400, 6 minutes on this, on first side, flip them, and then another 4 minutes. Thanks for joining me today. We'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.